So we are here at the GrAI Matter Lab stand at Embedded World 2022, and what we have here is a robotic arm that is working using Edge AI. This is a GrAI Matter Lab's Edge AI board. You can see just behind the computer monitor here, and this is doing Edge AI inferencing on what is being seen on the screen here, squashing through all the tomatoes. I am here with Christian from GrAI Matter Labs, who's going to give us a quick rundown as to what this is all about.
Hello, good morning. I'm glad to be able to explain today our technology. And also I'm glad to express that we've been awarded this year as the Embedded Vision company. Yes, we are the first company here who have the best in-class system for embedded vision.
Oh, congratulations. I didn't even see the certificates up there when I walked up. Yeah,
that's why I'm telling you, there was a surprise. Yes, we're building an AI chip. It's a small device. You can see here, but it's very small. This is a piece of brain that we have developed. It's brain inspired. That's why we can do it so small, because the brain is working very efficiently. And thanks to our technology and our patent technology, we could put in a small device a very fast and accurate system. We are very differentiating in case of the system. And here we showcase the speed of the inference with our technology. We have here nearly at 60 FPS, means that is the maximum speed of the camera. And here we can process as the speed nearly at the speed of the camera the inference. It's easy to use. We use the standard tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch to be able to program it. And that's make the thing easy, but with a new age of technology.
Excellent. So one quick question, just for those who might not be so familiar with Edge AI. So what we can see here, this is obviously a computer that's running Ubuntu, and the board between the robot and the computer is what is making this so fast, right?
Okay. Today we're to do this demonstration. What we have developed is a small lab PC here with Rust 2 on it and Ubuntu. And thanks to Rust 2, we're capable to run in real time the robot linked to the precision of our chip.
Excellent.
The master, the brain of the system is the chip, and Rust 2 is the arm of the system.
Okay, excellent. So all of the information that the robot needs to be able to make the movements in time is being done on your inference chip here.
Yes,
okay.
Exactly. The small device, 8 by 8 millimeters.
Yeah, that's amazing. So I mean, obviously this is a very technical implementation of something that is obviously quite complicated for people that might be first learning about it. So for young people, maybe students who are wanting to get into this for the first time, is there anything that GrAI Matter does that can help them learn?
Yes, that's a very interesting question, because for me it's very important that young people learn about this technology, because it's going to create value around AI. And then what we propose with another company is called ERM. We have developed a complete curriculum, including teacher curriculum and for student curriculum. And it's based on these small robots there. And you will learn about taking pictures, moving robots, but in an easy way. You will be able to learn about how to program in TensorFlow, PyTorch, and you have a complete system to be able to use. Here you have the teacher and the student are going to be able to learn with the system, to train the network, to use the network. But it's not about only deep learning, it's about everything about AI, because AI is not only deep learning.
That's fantastic. And what we'll do, once this video goes live, we'll put a link to GrAI Matter in our link tree, so that if you are interested in finding out more about this, as a teacher or a student, you can find out more. Christian, thank you so much for talking to me today. Cheers.
Cool.